Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. Today I'm trying out a product from a brand that I am not familiar with, which I always love getting to try out new brands. It's very exciting to me. And this brand is called Plum. And I have here the Candy Melts Vegan Lip Balm. And my lips are so chapped today, so I need a deeply hydrating and healing product. And that's what this says it is. It has nourishing ingredients in it to heal dry lips and also be very moisturizing. But what I'm even more excited about is the scent that I got this in. It's called Melon Bubble Yum. I love a scented lip product, and melon was like my favorite lip balm scent ever since I started using lip balms or lip glosses. But then it's mixed with like a bubble gum. I'm so excited to see what this is going to smell like. Plus, this is cruelty-free and vegan. So let's get into it. Such cute packaging that it comes in too. So here is what it looks like. First things first, I have to smell it. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. It smells exactly like a watermelon sherbet, like ice cream flavor. Oh, which used to be like my go-to. I'd get it from Friendly's from the grocery store, the watermelon sherbet. So good. I haven't had it in like probably decades, and now I feel like I need to go get it. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited already just from the scent of this. Let's see. I think I am just going to go ahead and apply it with my finger. Oh yeah, it's a pretty firm balm texture. And so let's see what this does for my extremely dry chapped lips today. Very nice. It has a little bit of a sheen to it. I wouldn't say it has any color, just like a clear, but definitely more shine than I was expecting from when I first looked at it in the pot here. Such a nice texture. It's almost like a mix between a lip gloss and a lip balm texture wise. And I'm trying to like rub my lips together, work it in to really moisturize those super chapped areas. And it's definitely helping. Like, the lines in my lips look smoothed out. There's no more dry skin. Wow, yeah. I think this is really, really nice. Moisturizing, enhancing to the lips. Exactly what I would want in my lip product here, and exactly what my lips were needing today. So yay, my first experience with a Plum makeup product was really good. And it looks like this comes in a lot of really fun flavors. So if you've tried any of them out, let me know what you think of them in the comments down below. But I am very happy to have this in my collection for this dry lip season that I'm in now. And of course, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.